Hi, my name is Ingrid Bueno Enriquez, and the topic I chose for my research was improving speaking skills through self assessment. I decided to take this topic because I have realized that most of the students are always afraid of participating in English, especially in oral activities, due to their insecurity, their shyness, the lack of knowledge they have to answer that questions, and also because they don't want to look like silly. So the participants I took for this research was a group of 20 students from a high school in the north of Guayaquil. The age of these students range from 15 up to 50. Most of them are already married, they have children, some are young and single, but most of them have already responsibilities at home. Okay, I had two research questions. One of them is, how do you feel in your English class? And the second one is, what activities do you enjoy that help you learn English? In order to know how they feel and what they like and what they don't like doing in their English classes, I decided to take this research question. And the interview questions were uh, open-ended questions, and also they were semi-structured. One of them is, do you like English? Why yes or why not? I wanted to say a reason of for their responses. The second one is, do you consider English important? Why yes or why not? And also wanted to know what they look or what was the most difficult skill for them to develop, and if they like their partners to correct their mistakes. And the interview was carried out through Zoom. As most of them were already adults, they didn't have to ask for a permission or sign a paper. They agreed to take the interview, so we scheduled an hour, a specific hour that where they have time, of course, because they already have responsibilities, and the interview didn't last more than 10 minutes. And the results show that most of the students consider speaking as the most difficult skill to develop, and they were also, they felt embarrassed when somebody correct their mistakes. So for that reason, I think that it is important not correct the student while that person is talking.